All right, I'm not going to take long on this because really it's just kind of stupid. Guess what, low IQ high school dropouts? There was medical science saying that transsexuals have a female brain. Not unstable. Here comes stupid. If you're a born boy man, have XY chromosome, how do you get born with female brain? You must be born girl woman, with two X chromosomes to be born with female brain. This is mental illness, plain simple. Oops. A whole lot from the United States National Library of Medicine, National Institute of Health. Androgen receptors, because you wanted to know why. Androgen receptors, repeat length polymorphic associated with male to female transsexualism. This is from the Human Molecular Genetics Laboratory, Prince Henry Institute of Medical Research, Department of Genetics. Results: a significant association was identified between transsexuals and the AR allele. Transsexuals having longer AR repeat lengths than non-transsexual male control subjects. No association with transsexuals is evident between the CYP19 and ERB. Well, it's not a B really, actually. Genes. Individuals were then classified for short, long, and in each genetic polymorphism on the basis of control, median, polymorphism length, and other further alluded to combination effects. No interaction, association between the three genes and transsexualism were identified. I hope this helps. So, one gene, the AR allele, was found to have an effect on transsexualism. And just to clear it up, I put the original study, which states real clearly, male to female transsexuals have female neurons in the limbic system. It says, regardless of orientation, men had almost twice as many neurons as women. The neuron numbers of the BSTC of the male to female transsexual were similar to that of females. In contrast, the female to male transsexuals were found to be in the male range. Hormone treatment and hormone sex level variation in adulthood did not seem to have an influence on the BSTC numbers. The present finding of some stating neurons blah, 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 to BST, sex reversal, transition blame, clearly support a predium that transsexual differentiation in the brain and genitals may go in an opposite direction and point to a neurological basis. Did he understand that? But they still have XY meaning male genetics, regardless of chromosome double link not or not, also would be the point genetic defects, which means mental illness. Okay, retard. Again, it's not a mental illness, which the same science has proved. So, wrong. It proved it wasn't a mental illness. Read it closely. But you don't. And you don't comprehend it. Please come back with some other moronic comment, Kevin. I do hope you get humiliated again. In order to humiliate, you actually have to respond with a retort, which you did not, which I did. 2 of them. What you've done is described how this can be a mental illness. No, what I described is the fact that this is a physical, neurological condition, not a mental illness. It's a perfect female brain. Now, you may not comprehend this, but that's because you're a simple-minded half-wit, like most of the people I deal with. Okay? I'm sorry. The internet's full of stupid. And, Kevin, you're stupid. Want to try another comment? I am more than willing to destroy you with medical science. It's the same science that says genetic defect. Genetic defects can cause mental illness, including gendophoria. No. It's not a genetic defect. It's what's called a recessive genetic trait. Okay? But you don't understand this because you're a half-wit. You're a moron. You're slow in the mind, and you're over here talking shit that you don't comprehend. Want to try to leave another comment? Oh, by the way, guess what I was working on? And all that education, you got no common sense, logical thinking, a biological man cannot be born. Okay, wrong. They can. And you're a fucking retard. I'm about to respond to you one more time, just to tell you, you're a simple-minded retard.